replace 3monkeez Cleaner Jet pre-rinse hose. Firstly, make sure you turn your water off at the source and squeeze your trigger valve to release any excess water. Using a spinner, remove your trigger valve from the hose and discard any rubber washers. Remove the spring guard by sliding it over the hose. Now take your spinner again and remove the hose from the riser, once again discarding any rubber washers. Apply thread tape or thread sealant to the riser adapter. Ensure you do not cover the riser adapter with any thread tape or any sealant. Take your new hose and tighten it onto the riser adapter. Ensure you don't tighten too much. Slide on the hose protector over the hose all the way to the riser. Install your existing spring guard over the hose. Make sure you put it back on the same way you took it off. Apply thread tape or thread sealant to the existing trigger valve. Once again, ensure that you don't cover the top of the trigger valve with any thread tape or sealant. Install the trigger valve to your new hose, tightening with the spinner. If thread sealant was used, wait the recommended time for it to cure. Once your cure time has lapsed, turn back on your water supply and squeeze your trigger valve to test your new hose. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you have any more questions, please contact our Wise Advice or customer care team.